Have you ever tried to run a query in SWI-Prolog only to be puzzled by the results? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to get multiple solutions using the top level in SWI-Prolog. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when you're expecting multiple solutions but only see one. You're not alone in this. Many beginners face similar challenges when starting with SWI-Prolog. Let's look at the specific situation. One user recently asked, "Why does my query only return one solution when I expect two?" They provided a simple test case with two facts, but only one solution was returned. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be happening here? In SWI-Prolog, backtracking is usually enabled by default, but there are a few reasons why you might not be seeing all the expected solutions. Let's break it down. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you understand how to manage multiple solutions effectively in SWI-Prolog. To begin resolving the user's issue, we need to ensure that the Prolog environment is set up correctly. The user should confirm that they are using the SWI-Prolog interpreter. Next, the user should check if the Prolog code is loaded correctly. They can do this by consulting the file where the test predicates are defined. Now, the user can run the query to retrieve multiple solutions. They should enter the query and then press the semicolon key to see additional solutions. If the user still only sees one solution, they should check if there are any settings affecting backtracking. In SWI-Prolog, backtracking is enabled by default. Finally, if the user continues to experience issues, they may want to review the documentation or seek help from the SWI-Prolog community for further assistance. Fun fact, did you know that Prolog is one of the oldest programming languages still in use today? It was developed in the 1970s, and it has a unique approach to problem solving that can be quite different from other languages. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by a user suggests using the baguf function to retrieve multiple solutions. You can use the command baguf x test xxs to collect all matching results into a list. However, be aware that anonymous variables may not work as expected with baguf. For example, if you have test predicates with two arguments, using bagx test xxs will only return values where the second term is uniform. To get all matching values regardless of the second term, you can use a different syntax, bagofx, a test xa, xs. This allows you to collect all results correctly. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always remember to use the semicolon for additional solutions in your queries. This simple habit can save you a lot of time and confusion. And there you have it. You should now be able to retrieve multiple solutions in SWI-Prolog. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into Prolog.